Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start trading on TradeLocker and how to create a demo account. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for TradeLocker.com and then you will see this page. Now press on start trading. Now as you can see we have two options to start trading, whether broker trading or prop trading. For this demo, I will go with broker trading. So we press on find a broker. We have this list of brokers, as you can see, and we have that more brokers are coming soon. Now we choose the broker that we want to work with, for example, the first one, and then we press on get started. Now we are in Hero FX, the broker that we already chose. So we press on get started again. Now all you need to do is to register here. You register with first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then you create a password, and then you press on register, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.